Ka Shlam ai jing hikai ka Rising Sun Higher Secondary School Mauring Keneng kemudian hanong dawa ka balaseng house nem ka khandai spa prapu khandai minta ka sngi ka rakhi ya ka jingkin jo ya umau mer balai pusan snem jang ka jing shakri ban ai jing star iki khun jang ka dong ka thai kani ka school nadu balaseng ya ka kala sei ki khna ki bade ki so ningkong ki bala long ki officer ha ki na sarkar ba pher jang ka sarkar jela Hakani resmi UMDC kathan ubadeiru Chief Executive Member ka KHEDC uba penyait sing siem kumu kongsan haka jingdan lang usodar kashnang mauring keneng uba Peter J Lawai nolor ki kena school ki balapas haka jingdan lang ki nong hikai ki kena school bar ki kmi ki pa apin pu apin piang ya kani ka jingra ke dap lai pusan snem jong school ka dei ka jingya shimbenta shidrahem ki kena school haka jingle kai drill shatun rai bar ki wei di Hakani gasni uba penyaj ula pele paj baru ika kamera kelas ya kaba ula penyo lingba ke MDC scheme kabade jong usnem aja khatpra hadu aja khandai kabade na ke excluded scheme bat pinkop burom ru ya laingur ki khna ki bala paw bha ka kam yale kai bat kumjoru hakaliang ka pule puthi
in primary section in the meeting made on 8/5/1989 at the residence of Srimati Deborah Japang. There were 10 members attended in the meeting. The members present in this meeting expressed the need for promoting English education in Mauring Keneng. There were 2 teachers committed to teach in the school, namely Srimati Deborah Japang and Srimati Rina Lensari, whose after 2 years this second teacher was resigned from the school because due to some reason. The members present in this meeting are as follows. Number 1, Shri late Crimson Cassidy was the present soldier at the time. Shri H.B. Loma, who was the Kram Sabak of the block development block. Shri Horsing Marbo, Shri late Marbek Indo, Shri Trek Singh Lingdo, Srimati late Deborah Japang, Srimati Rina Linsari, and Srimati Blinda Khasati, and Reverend K. Nongplu, and the last is Shri late K.H. Roy Bhar. These are the members, the first meeting, who was the first starter of the school. Lastly, on 15 May 1989, the school was first started at Nongdawa, which they call Wa'awar, in the office of the Sengkintay Mauring Keneng, in which the chairperson of Sengkintay was Srimati Slip Lawai. The school was inaugurated by BDO. During that time, Shri Ki Shangdiar as the chief guest.
Te nakaliang jungi nakaliang ka sorkaru ngin yarap ya kini ka school kumba sanlak nakamta ban repair kini ki yung school kamtam ya kini ka roofing lani ka tunum banam jao ha kamera kelas banam thut ka pule puthi nam ta ki khna te sanlak naka chief minister special development fund ki jing songo ikipai ba nang susnong Mauring Keneng but ek constituency brokaway kabala ailat yang aru banlong kum MDC mentala artem kenti but kum juru kum MLA Shipol na kini constituency balong MLA kum basisnam tam but hakini kisnam shisnam tam kum MLA ngaso ban penpau jing ai kublai kerpang iki pai ba bangayo ekalat ban penslo iki babun ki jing hakabai dei ba ka constituency Mauring Keneng habai dei hangtai po assembly khamtam ya ka sarkar jela te namar bakum kinong mikmat ka kamram ka baningkong hi kadai banginra ya ka sul jong ki babun balang na kishnong na ki constituency ya ka jing ka bakikidon ya ka jing donkam ki babun let's say bangin penslow ya kata ka sul jong ki paiba nong shnong sha assembly lene Dorbar district council lene wat sha parliament te ka kamram jungi kadai kata bat ka baar pan nalor kata ka kamram ka jungi kum kinong mikmat kalong bangin wanra ban ka jingyakren ka jingyatai bakumno bangin la ban wanra iki an ki kendon ki baklan ki babiang na kamenta ka jingbit jingbiang jong ki nong shnong but jong ka jelah brok away kabalai pat kum kinomik khmat ngi don kam ban suthu kum ki pai ba baka kamram jungi ngi don kamru banwan ra eki developmental activities ki ba pher lada kalong haki educational institution lada long haka health institution lada kalong haka nuka institution ngi don kam bat nga so ban ong bakum no mikmat hakini ki shisnam tam kum emali ngala prioritize lene la bu priority bal abu kerpang kindet kiles ke ki badan kambha bangin la banwara development shamor keneng constituency tenglara ningkong hakaban dan kam ya ka kot ka khya ban pen klan ya ka kot ka khya ha kishnong bat ha ki kerdan ki bapher lada kilong haki health sub center lada kilong haki health primary health center lada kilong haki CHC bat ki center long menta ki pai ba no susnong jungi ki dangde ki pai ba no susnong ki barang duna hakayo kakot lada hab ban late hospital private la hab ban sumar pi ki hospital private ne po mekhlian shabab phin hab ban baram phin hab ban lut ki pho hajar ba ki lak Namar takadaw ka kamram jong ato ka pornong la day ban wanra e ka si ka babiang hapo morun kedeng ban ai jing syakri nganam la ban ai pisa by dawai man kasngi nganam la ban ai jingrap man ki yen henry lingba kini ki project lingba kini ki investment ngin la ban yarap ban syakri ki pai ba ka ba arpat ha ka bay day bat ka education ni iba ka jing long jingman jo ka morun kene constituency kala de ka constituency ka bahe bha la bun bha ki pa bat ka population kala bun bha bat tang hang ni hapo kanika morun kene CHC circle la banong kanika population la umdunai ka sanpho haja tengah ngaso benong la dangi kum kinomik khmat ngimnum suthu ke ka bangin yi ya ka ya ka bashajangan kan bu jing khamtami ki pai ba te ngai iba ngila persyang ban penslo ka sarkar badan kam bandan ya ke education policy ka babiang om tang kata bat kilat jingrap ki babiang nam taki schools ki babon khamtam ki government schools bat kumju rup ki private schools ki bla khamrim da pi pai ki babon ki skill labor ki bangi don kam ne se kita ki kam ki jingtrei ki babon badon kam ya kasap ke ba bani bha ba babiang le singim yo de ki briu la jong ngim yo de kasi nama kim long kim dei ki bala syak pedebet te nomor takadaw kanika skill development ru don kam bha ban ngin persyang ban pensrowe sarkar ban don haman ki center le se man ki constituency ya ka skill development program ka bangin penlong khnang ban ai jihikai ki samla ki jungi lada kalong hakano ka kam constituency mor keneng ki babon ki nong rap ki babon ki nong ri jing ri namar takadam ni don kam le se ban kam pen tibet wat haka kam rap wat hakam ri jing ri dang shen ngilayo ban penyo e ka sanction jong kate ka piggery bat ka poultry farming hang tai ka belayo sanction akan nabat de ki crore tingka bat mentangin spenbet ban alot ikikam ban sedang no ikenika farming hang ni po mau keneng kepada jong ke government bat lada ki sedang ikani kan long kecing mentoi ke bakrau nam ta kinong snong wat ikenika breeding facilities hang ni ka jing pen kha yeki khun sneng kan khambun bat ka jing dan kam khun sneng sembai sneng jong ki nong snong de ki nong rap de se kan khamyarap lada la don nang ni na po snong la jong jingpho snew ka jong phi lani ka dreams ka jong phi pindon ya kata ka jing I jingai jong phi ya ke ka ba phi kwa ban long hadin habut nga sutunat ban yo ban penkup burom ya laimut ki ni ki khna ki badan ha ki benta ba pher khamtam ha ka jingpule academic khamtam I samla I balayo letters baro ki subject nangta I hybrid sambor bala pau bha khamtam ha ka kam ile kai football ngi haki social media kala long viral ka jing tibet ka sab bo bleu la ai I khamtam ha ka sab ban up goal kum goalkeeper bat na slow comment bangan yo ni kala ban don lang bat ki khamtam bat iwei pat I thei I badena ka ni ka school I ba yo lat ban rung ha ka cricket team jongka jela mekhlia kini kilong kinuksa namar ba mentang ni don kam ba kum ki kime ki paru phintip ba ki khun jong phi ki don ya kanu ka sab but day hang ne ba ni don kam ban peli kala kelentiru wat iki khun ki kiti ki ba philai I ba ki don hanono ka benta ba ki don sap ngin hab ban penslur ka jing one hairstyle jongka teknologi kata ka advance teknologi ngin pala ban pedang te suki ngin salat bat ngashwa ban kentu kumne ya ka ba bhashim bat ya ka basniu subha kantai khamtam ki students ngaso ban kentu ya phi ban nam dai ban penlut por than haka mobile namakani kan pensniu bha hoi kelas dang kani ka jimpenan kam mobile khamtam hiki online classes nadu bawan covid teh ngeri minta la dan yang kini ki physical classes ngena na try ngena dan kam shu ben kam than hiki mobile like no tang ki classes ki bla kham he ben kam le homework ben le kini ki we ki ben wat jingtip kham benya limba ke internet ngen happen penon kam henry ngaken tu ban kiar na kane bat ka ba arpat ban kiar na ka jing ya dan menta than haki social media hakapor ba phidang ye puli namar baki social media ki ba menta ndai than tang bolong positif ndai than tang ka bha kilami ki social media ban influence phi ya ban pensniru ya phi ban penkelai ka jing jabin ka jong phi ban penkelai ka jing mut ka ban jing sngur ka jong phi ban penkelai ka jing mut ka badang syai ka jong phi bat nga itiang bangi im hakani ka juk social media ka ban ketik wat ban le ikinunu ki kam sniru salia shu tangling ba ban yo mensim na ki social media influencer la ban ong